Hey everyone, I am Srimanti and I am an IT Delhi BTech CS graduate, batch of 2024 and now a machine learning mentor. AI and Gen AI skills are becoming extremely important, but the biggest problem is that good AI mentorship is usually very expensive. Many courses charge 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees or even more, and still beginners don't always get the proper doubt solving one-to-one guidance or practical support. On the other hand, free courses are available on YouTube all the time, but there you don't get mentorship assignments, certificates or even a proper learning path. So if you are a beginner who wants to learn AI properly without spending a huge amount of money, this video is for you. I spend a lot of my time surfing online for courses that will genuinely benefit my students, and I think I hit the jackpot with this one. Recently, I came across TuteDude's Gen AI course, and what caught my attention is that this course is an IT Delhi alumni initiative and includes one on one live mentorship, lifetime access, internship assistance, and practical learning support. More so, the enrollment fee is just 699 rupees. Plus, if you use the coupon code LC100, you get an instant 100 rupees discount, so you can enroll for only 599 rupees. The best part is that this course is beginner friendly. You don't need to come from an IT background, whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone who simply wants to explore AI and future ready skills, you can start learning from here. The course is self paced, taught in simple English, and gives lifetime access. So you can learn whatever you want and revise anytime in the future. You can also see on the website that 90,000 plus learners have already enrolled, and the course now has 4.9 plus rating, which makes it quite reliable for beginners like you. If you're already thinking of Gen AI, then you can check out the course link in the description while watching this video. And remember, use coupon code LC100, it's specially made for you to get 100 rupees off on the enrollment fee. Now, if we talk about the curriculum, this Gen AI course covers AI related concepts, tools, and practical implementation. You get 232 plus hours of content, assignments, mentor support, and practical learning. So, this is not just a theory based course where you only watch videos. The focus is also on implementation, which is very important in Gen AI because you need to understand tools, prompts, workflows, and real use cases. Another important thing is mentorship. With free platforms, the biggest issue is that if you get stuck, there is usually no one to guide you. But here, TuteDude provides one on one live doubt solving, mentor support, portfolio help, resume guidance, and internship assistance. So, beginners don't just learn the concepts, they also get support in applying those skills properly. Now, let's quickly talk about the refund model because this is one of the most interesting parts. You enroll by paying 699 or 599 rupees after applying coupon code LC100. Then you complete the course, cleared the assignment. After that, the amount that you paid gets refunded. Yes, that's true. And even after the refund, your lifetime course access continues. What could be more important and better than this? So you can revise the content later whenever you want. Honestly, this model makes sense because the upfront fee works like a commitment amount, so learners take this course seriously and they actually complete it, which is, after all, the intent of every mentor. I also checked their testimonials and student feedback, and many learners have shared positive experiences. Students mention that the course structure is clear, the recorded lectures make learning flexible, and mentor support helps when they face doubts. This combination of structured content and guidance is what makes the platform useful, especially for beginners. Apart from Gen AI, TuteDude also has many other courses like Python, data science, Power BI, UI UX designing, React full stack development, and more. They also offer combo packs where learners can take multiple courses together at a better price. So if you want to explore more tech skills along with Gen AI, you can check those options out too. So overall, if you're a beginner and you want to explore AI, learn generative AI or build a future-ready skill without spending a huge amount on expensive mentorship, then TuteDude's Gen AI course definitely looks like an interesting option. The link is in the description. Don't forget to use the coupon code LC100 to get rupees 100 off. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more such content. Before you go, I have added chapters in this video so you can definitely quickly jump to the course features, curriculum, refund model, mentorship, and final review whenever you want. Check the description for the course link, coupon code, and all the important details. All the best and good luck!